those spiders. I can't do it like that because it gets flagged.
Miata update video, part 1.
Yep. So part 1. Just wanted to do a simple timing belt.
Hold on a second. Just want to get the scenery here. A couple of pizza slices. Cat back. Tire there. Tools.
Tire here, tire there.
Someone's drinking a Mike's lemonade. How you feeling?
Boy here in his high school clothes. Friggin' buffalo sauce on my belly.
1 a.m. And I think he's doing an oil change.
Yeah, so I read you have to pull the motor to do that. So that's where I'm at right now.
But actually explain what's going on here.
So I got this Miata. I didn't know what was going on with it, but the whole motor was caked in oil. So, going above and beyond like I usually do, I ordered every single gasket and seal that goes on this motor. And I figured I'd replace it. So, the one that's giving me trouble here is this front crank seal.
Well, you don't know that it's giving you trouble.
Well, no, I don't know if that's the one that was leaking, but I tried to pull it out.
Well, it's going to be leaking now.
Well, boy, it sure are.
Looks like somebody really got in there. You do that?
Yeah, I got in there.
Oh, this freaking road. Yeah. Wow, this road just went into that.
Things
what is
going
that?
into the freaking thermostat
Is that
housing.
your turbo inlet?
It should be.
So you're doing a timing chain?
I'm doing a timing belt, gaskets, seals, anything that could leak I'm replacing.
And right now we're 70% to a full motor and tranny drop?
Yeah, we're almost ready to pull it out.
When's that happening?
Nah, man, I can't call it. Hopefully next week.
Tomorrow?
Nah, I gotta go back to the old lady tomorrow. So this is what's giving me trouble. This seal is supposed to just come out easily with a freaking, where's that tool?
Yeah, show the tool. I'm sure that most people go through this.
Yeah, I watched the Car Passion channel. It's real good with Miatas. And when he was taking his Miata apart, everything just basically fell out into his hands. So he took one of these tools, stuck it in here, the front crank seal, and it just kind of pulled out.
Imagine if it pulled out right now.
Wow, that'd be something.
Yeah.
It's supposed to dig right in, but this thing seems way harder than it should be. So yeah, it's not going to go in. I tried for hours yesterday. So it should just come out, but it's not. So we figured we'd take the oil pump out, but to take the oil pump out, you got to drop the pan. And to drop the pan, they say it's easier to pull the whole engine and transmission. So, one thing led to another, and here we are.
Next week we'll be putting a V8 in it.
Yeah, I've been pricing that out, but, may not be in the budget right now.
So...
But it'd be nice because at least this car will have a set of nuts when I'm done.
Well, time out though. So you bought this car a year ago for what? What is it?
It's a 97 Miata R. I didn't know much about Miatas when I bought it, but they only made 47 of these in 1997 with the R package, so I was kind of excited when I got it, thinking it was going to be great. And it is great. It just needs some work.
It needs a lot of work.
But the thing that got me was this car was worked on by a vocational school, a group of high school kids, so
it means every bolt stripped.
Yeah, basically, you know how kids do things. About 30 different hands in here working on it. So as I'm taking this apart, bolts are either not there, they're either stripped or just
glued on,
overly tightened. So yeah, it's been kind of a nightmare, but we'll get it right.
What's the over-under odds on this thing running again?
It'll run. It'll see the daylight again.
Yeah.
One day.
All right, part 1 of probably
many parts.
Many parts.
Yeah.
And Rye Guy's going to do a full review here when it's dialed.
Yep.
In a year or two. So
once
be patient.
It's running strong. I have an autocross in 2 months, so I'm trying to get it back together by then. Need some coilovers. Need an exhaust. Because look at that hunk of junk right there. It's freaking all scrap metal welded together. It needs some work, but I will keep you updated on this.
Yeah. And leave some comments for what kind of Miata content you'd like to see. Rye Guy and I are going to be teaming up doing some film adventures this summer.
Yeah. This is only video number 1, so. And if you have any recommendations on coilovers, let me know, because I'm shopping now.
And exhausts.
And exhaust.
And if you know of anybody who has a used Chevy V8.
Yeah, if anyone has a full swap ready to just dump in here, let me know.
Or if anybody just wants to buy it as is.
Yeah.
For sale. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right. See you next time. Thanks for tuning in.
Good.
Is this a picture?
It's a video. Hashtag when the thumbnail is life.
Yeah. I could take a still from it.
You look cute in there, Rye Guy.
Thanks.
All right.
Got a thermostat going in my wiener.
Good night for real this time.